What tips do you have for personal paperwork and notes from webinars? How do you decide what to keep for how long, etc.? Yeah, well, I'm a very visual person. And so I love doing mind maps. And the way I do it is I use Microsoft's OneNote product, which is free. It works on all platforms. And so what I'll do is on my iPad, I'll take notes on it within OneNote. And I won't make it too structured. And I find that when you do mind maps, like just drawings of data flow diagrams and a gap analysis, where you want to be in 10 years and where are you now and how do you fill that gap? I find that when you map it out and you just kind of free flow draw and then put a little bit of text here and there, I find that you can then zoom out and kind of get a better picture of what you're trying to accomplish in life. And what Jeff Bezos does at Amazon is every year he has all of his product managers, including the product manager on Kindle, Amazon Web Services, Amazon Prime, whatever it is. He has all of them write a press release that's going to be released at least 1 year in the future. He has them write it, like today. And it's a basic goal setting workshop. So basically they know what they have to deliver a year from now, and there's a gap. How do you fill that gap? And I find by using OneNote from Microsoft, it's easy to do that. And you can see the forest from the trees when you zoom out and look at your data flow diagram and whatnot. Yeah. And that's how I design all my courses as well. I actually design my courses while I'm on the elliptical trainer in my garage, or while I'm on this treadmill here. And I don't have a wide angle lens today, but what I'll do is I stand up for most of the day and I get 20,000 steps in a day, and I work while I'm walking. Obviously I don't do it during this call here. Hey there. I know it's a little bit out there, but it works for me. Do what works for you.